Imagine this. You're on a road trip to the most important destination of your life. But guess what? No GPS, no maps, no step-by-step directions. Sounds stressful, right? Well, welcome to life. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm an interior designer, a motivational speaker, an artist and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. You know, when I was younger, I thought life had a clear path. Study hard, get a job, work hard, succeed. Simple, right? Well, turns out life is less like Google Maps and more like a treasure hunt. You figure it out as you go. And just like any great trip, sometimes you take wrong turns, get lost, and hit unexpected detours. But that's where the real adventure begins. Tell me, have you ever planned something in life only for it to go completely differently? Think about the craziest plot twist that you had to face. See, the problem isn't that life has no map. The problem is we expect one. But the truth is, every successful person had to create their own route. They didn't wait for directions. They started walking. And guess what? You can do that too. Here's how to navigate life without a map. 1. Embrace detours. Yes, sometimes the wrong road leads to the right place. 2. Trust your instincts. There is no one right way. Tune into your gut feeling. It works. 3. Enjoy the journey. The best stories come from the unexpected parts of the trip. You don't need a map to live an amazing life. You just need courage, curiosity, and the willingness to take that first step. So, what's your next move? Think about it and take it soon. Remember, life's greatest adventure begins when you stop waiting for directions. If you like this video, share it with someone you love. Till next time, I believe in you and I love you. Keep smiling.